Hello and welcome to our tutorial video where we'll be introducing you to our customer portal service. Here, we'll demonstrate how you can log in and monitor in real time the progress of your order as it makes its way along our production processes. Let's get started. First, visit our website and navigate to the Contact Us drop-down menu where you can click through to our customer portal. Here you will be presented with a login screen where you can use your email assigned to your purchase order to enter. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be presented with a screen listing all your orders you currently have with us. To the left, you can view your purchase order number as well as the product description and how many components you currently have on order with us. In the middle, you can view the number of operations your product goes through until completion. When an operation is highlighted green, it means that it is completed. You can also view your acknowledged date of completion as well as an estimated completion date based on current progress. You also have access to a comment section where you can add any important information. This comment section will be seen across the entire Excell Metal Spinning team assigned to your purchase order and is a useful way of seamlessly conveying quick messages to our team. With this customer portal, we can provide you with the ultimate transparent service, making it easier for you to get real-time updates and maintain full control over your supply chain experience. What's more, this service comes at no additional fee. Get in touch with us today via our website or email presented on the screen. Thank you for watching.